that time of the day and we're off again. We've had a really lovely couple of relaxing days at the Broken Hill Racecourse, and we're off to Silverton for a couple of days, and then we're going to unfortunately make our way back home, slowly though. So up to Silverton we go. Silverton is known as Beyond the 39 Dips. Number 6. I think there's more than 39 dips. Made it to Silverton. The camel farm is on the left. Penrose Caravan Park is on the right, but we're just going to go into town and have a walk around. It is super busy here. It's the long weekend and we're just going to do a U-ey and find a park and have a bit of a walk around.
So here in Silverton, and as you can see, it is absolutely chock. All these cars, all visitors, these are all day travellers.
dingo.
This is what you classify as a local gang.
Oh.
Herding down the main street of Silverton. They even have a mascot dingo.
This is what my husband does to me. Thank you, babe. So here we are at the Silverton Hotel, having a nice meal and just watching everyone. It's very, very busy here, and I just spoke to one of the ladies behind the bar, and apparently it's all the Victorians coming up, but apparently it's going to be busy all the way to the Mundi Mundi Bash in August.
Honest opinion, if you've been to the Gold Coast movie world, they've been to Silverton.
It's very much, you know, what was that, the old
Western Park or whatever it is.
Yeah. But it's beautiful and there's a lot of history, and now we are dining on, let's see if I can do this, we are dining on burger and steak sandwich. We're staying at the Penrose Park Recreation and Campground. Really lovely place to stay. The amenities here are really big. They've got the combo toilet and shower in one. Lots of room. We've got heaps of barbecue areas dotted around the place, and a barbecue area and a playground area for the kiddos. You can do fires here as long as they're contained, and you get rid of the ash in bins. They have very large sites here at the caravan park, both unpowered and powered, but no water. The caravan park even has a laundry. This is one very dry creek bed. Ah, donkeys. Hi. Who are you? Hi. Aren't you pretty? Hello. We've got the donkeys. We've got the donkeys, all right.
Little ostrich.
Yep, they're coming round. We got all sorts of animals here at the camel farm. Or alpaca. I think you're... I'm not sure what you are. Hi. Hi, Hayes.
Hello.
What do you reckon? Yeah. Oh, you're cute. You're very cute. Hi. We've opted for a camel farm tour today, but while we're just waiting, you can wander around a little bit and have a pat with all the animals. Hi, how you doing?
Now they're posing.
Hello. Aren't you pretty?
Yeah.
Just the two? Gonna put them. Hello, you.
They get along with the big long things being in the movie Mad Max.
Oh, wow.
I've never watched it, so I can't really approve that.
Oh, wow.
Water buffaloes.
Hello, water buffaloes. Wow.
What's Mad Max?
On our way to Mundi Mundi Lookout. We've got the big wind farms dotted on the horizon. And Mundi Mundi's 4Ks. Coming up to the Mundi Mundi Lookout. Wow, okay. How awesome is this? Holy dooly. Wow. From the lookout, you can see the Mundi Mundi Plains. This wall stands as a tribute to the men, women and children who moulded Silverton into what it was, what it is, and what it will be. The Silverton Cemetery is 42 acres, so it would take quite a bit of time to see it all. Hey Paul, 42 acres, and it's a historical site now.
Take two. Morning.
Morning from Penrose Park at Silverton, not Wilcannia. Anyway, we're off today to Wilcannia, but it's been a lovely stay here at Penrose Park, hasn't it?
Very quiet.
Very quiet and
I
huge
dare say that'll
blocks.
change when Mundi Mundi Bash happens, but
Yeah.
it's very quiet at this stage.
Yeah, so yeah, we've loved it here. Lots to see and do, and the countryside's wonderful. So we've had a really relaxing time, and we're now off to Wilcannia.
Correct.
And we're making our way back home.
Yeah. A couple of things about Penrose Park. Non-potable water, so you cannot drink it. But they do have powered sites and non-powered sites. The sites are huge.
Yeah, they
So
are very big.
You could probably fit at least 3 caravans on one site,
Yeah,
or 3
true.
motorhomes.
Yeah. All right. Until Wilcannia. See ya.
Ciao.
Bye.